Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In today's video, we are going to learn about strings in JavaScript. We will cover templates and some very useful string method that you will use all the time. So why learn strings? Strings are one of the most important part of the JavaScript. They allow us to store and manipulate text like usernames, message, or replay data. Basically, whenever you deal with text in your program, you will be working with strings. And since websites are full of text, strings are everywhere. So what is a string? A string is simply a sequence of characters written inside quotes. There are three ways to write string in JavaScript: single quotes, double quotes, and backticks. These are the template literals which we will talk about next. So now let's see the template literals. Uh, these were introduced in ES6 and they are super useful. Instead of using quotes, we use backticks. They give us two main benefits. We can write multi-line strings and we can use string interpolation with this dollar bracket expression to insert variables directly into a string. Let's move to VS Code and see this example for these. So these are the different ways to define strings. String 1 in the double quotes and in the temporary literals. If I run this, I get the hello world JDCodebase here. In the temperatures, these are a variable name user and the value is the zone here. The interpolation is the in the template in the backticks I can add these variables here directly. Hello user, welcome, like, and I can these are also spot multi-line string, like this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. If I try to add this here, John, Alice, and try to see this gives an error, but in the backticks I cannot get an any error. If I run this, see this, hello John, Alice, welcome, according to this line output, and multi-line string, this gives this multi-line string. If I add spaces here, this again add spaces here. So this is the use of temperatures and advantage of this. So there are some common string methods. Dot length gives the length of the string. To uppercase, to lowercase, change cases. To trim, dot trim, remove extra space from the beginning and end. Dot includes, check if a substring exists or not inside a string. Dot replace replaces part of a string. So let's move to VS Code and see this. So these are the string method. There is a string, message, JavaScript is a fun. If you see, these are some empty spaces here in the front and in the back also. If I check the length of this message door length, this gives 22. Sorry, 24 here. If you count this, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, this gives you 24 here. And in the two uppercase and two lowercase, all these string are converted into uppercase, and here all the string in the lowercase. In the dot trim method, this gives the remove the all the front starting and ending space, and here it check dot includes, check whether this substring exists in a string or not. Message dot include JavaScript, true. Message dot includes Python, no, false. So dot replace also change the part of a string, like if I change the fun string with the awesome, so I get JavaScript is awesome instead of JavaScript is fun. So these are the some string methods, and so strings are text value written in quotes or backticks, template literals that you write multi-line string or use interpolation. Some useful methods are dot length, dot trim, dot includes, dot replace, dot to uppercase, or dot to lowercase. So that is for the today's session on strings in JavaScript. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JD Codebase for more about short and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.